This next pose is the bridge pose. This is a great pose to use with your block. We can use the block in many ways, one of which I will show you in this tutorial. One of the first things that you want to do is gently bring yourself down to the floor. So feet on the ground, knees bent, gently bring your elbows down to the floor, coming to the lying position. Make sure your neck is in line with the spine. Inhale and exhale. Relax your shoulders. Spread your fingers wide. Bring the heels up towards the hips as far as you can. Keep the neck in line with the spine by looking up towards the ceiling. It's very important to protect the neck here. Breathe into the belly and exhale. Relax the shoulders. Here, you will press the low spine down into the mat. Exhale. Keep the low spine pressing into the mat and then press the heels only down into the floor. As you press the heels down to the floor, you'll feel your hips lifting up towards the sky, just like there's strings pulling the hips straight up. And exhale. Keep the heels pressing down into the floor. You can add height to the floor by placing a block underneath your sacrum and gently rest your sacrum on the block here. You can keep the feet pressed in if you'd like to challenge yourself, pressing the heels down and resting on the block. Inhale, lift the hips up. You can remove the block here. If you want to add challenge to the pose, clasp the hands underneath. Lift the hips up, again like there's two strings, going straight up to the sky. To get out of the pose, you release the fingertips and slowly lower back down to the floor, one vertebrae at a time. Gently introducing each vertebrae back into contact with the floor. And exhale, relax.